In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the Modi-led fascist Indian government could not digest the celebrations made by the Kashmiris after Pakistan's win over India in the Super 4 match of the Asia Cup 2022 at Dubai International Cricket Stadium on Sunday night, and in retaliation launched crackdown operations in every nook and corner of the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, streets in Srinagar and other parts of the territory erupted in jubilation on Sunday night soon after Pakistani batsmen played the winning stroke. Overjoyed Kashmiri youth took to the streets in groups, despite the fact that the personnel of Indian Army, police and paramilitary forces were already deployed to prevent the celebrations. The youth shouted pro-Pakistan and pro-freedom slogans and fired crackers. In videos circulating on social media, youth are soon cheering and dancing carrying Pakistani flags while the sky is lit with huge firework. Also, it is happening only in India under Modi, where an Indian cricket player is labelled as Pakistani or Khalistani for his religious background after Indian cricket team loses a match against Pakistan. And this time, 23-year-old cricketer Arshdeep Singh was the target of the BJP social media brigade after he dropped a catch in the match. He was branded as Khalistani because of his Sikh origin. Some social media users demanded that Arshdeep be sent to Pakistan. Meanwhile, police today found a bullet-riddled body under mysterious circumstances in an orchard in Narpura area of Shopian district. The occupied territory is witnessing a sharp increase in the phenomenon after revocation of Jammu and Kashmir's special status by India in August 2019. Senior APHC leader Professor Abdul Ghani Bhatt has called for settlement of the Kashmir dispute through a sustained dialogue process among all stakeholders to mitigate the sufferings of the Kashmiri people they are going through since 1947. Professor Bhatt, who visited the residence of the senior Hurriyat leader Maulana Abbas Ansari in Srinagar and inquired about his health, hoped that the world major powers would facilitate the solution to avert a big catastrophe in the region. On the other hand, renowned intellectual and Kashmir freedom movement stalwart late Sheikh Tajamulul Islam was remembered on his first death anniversary today for his valuable and matchless services to the Kashmir cause. An event in this regard was organized by Kashmir Media Service, which he served as executive director till his death.